the video thing.
Don't put it on Facebook yet. Don't put it on Facebook yet. Okay.
Guys, stop.
Y'all have Twitter?
I have Twitter.
I have a Twitter.
Y'all should follow me on Twitter.
What's your name?
At Real Eric Mooney.
At what?
Real Eric Mooney.
Okay.
Come get some mad on that.
I think
Becky, you can't record this. You better be only focused on her. Okay.
not just me, bitches. Okay? Okay, you gotta get this stool next to me. Okay? Because if I fall, you guys are so mean. You guys don't even help anybody.
No. She's out. You know, like,
Just give me
give
this.
that to Nasia.
I'm not done.
Not done. She's so
Okay, take it. Now I'm gonna get back on the bed if I can find it. No, stop videotaping me. That's not nice to be even drunk to you. When you're drunk, you're gonna kick him? You're gonna kick me? She's gonna kick me?
Sit your drunk ass down.
She's gonna kick me? Why is she gonna kick me when I dare her? No, it's not funny. What did I even do to Becky? I love her so much.
You kissed Perry.
How would that- Perry? Who's Perry?
Perry.
The fuck? Who's Perry?
I'm not calling
Perry. Who is he? It, she, whatever it is. What is it? Oh my god. Torture. Is this torture? Who is Perry? Who is he? Or she? Just asking.
What the fuck is she talking about?
No. What the fuck is that?
Why are you recording me?
It's funny.
Because she's mean like that.
Why are you letting her record you?
I tried to stop it. She's trying to kick me. Also, I can't just. What are you guys even talking about? God, you guys. Becky, stop recording me. Who's Perry? I don't even know.
You
Who's
cheated on
Perry?
Becky with her.
You cheated on Becky with
Wow, we
me?
were with them.
What?
Never mind.
I don't even know what
Becky,
you're talking about. Stop recording me before I just. Becky. Stop it. Stop it right now.
I'm about to leave these two. No,
Stop
no,
it.
quiet out there. I bet for that. Whose apartment is this?
Ew, why is your legs open? She wants to dick. She wants to dick. Her legs are open. She needs to close them. See, my legs are closed now. I don't want nothing. Tyler's. Oh my god, are you gonna come No, delete that. Just delete it. Just delete it. Delete it, please. Becky, delete it. Just delete it. Oh my god, my pants are falling. She got the out my hair. She's got my hair. Get off. She got my hair. She's got her on video camera. She's crying. Say something.
Get the fuck off me.
I'm trying to get calm down. Fall. She pushed me over. You're in You guys are mean. How you gonna mix up a fucking drunk? I'm the fucking person. The fucking drunk. I don't know what it's fucking talking about. Okay, you're in. Okay? Okay? Oh, fucking okay. Okay. I don't even need to say anything. Stop recording me. Stop it. How are you gonna do this to me? Please just stop recording me. Vicky's here. Vicky, get fucking out of here. Ow. I quit life before I sleep. Fucking, I can't believe she's recording. And I'm here freaking out. I didn't even
She just slapped the wall.
Stop being drunk, please.
stop